pristine waters of Akoya, the luster is simply unmatched.
It's exquisite, darling.
This massive vessel is the heart of the operation, capable of dredging thousands of oysters daily. The hydraulic crane swings the heavy dredge net aboard, revealing the first haul of mature oysters ready for sorting.
Air on. Check the secondary.
Regulator pressure is good. We are ready for descent. Anchor is set. We have a clear reading on the sonar. You can begin the harvesting process.
Here we see the diver carefully prying the oysters from the sunken hull, a delicate process requiring specialized tools.
The diver secures the heavy dredge full of oysters. Once ready, he gives 3 sharp tugs.
All right, careful with that one, it's heavy. Ugh. Looks like we found the mother lode today. Let's get to shucking.
The deep-sea oyster harvest begins at dawn. This massive vessel deploys specialized dredges.
Every oyster is checked by hand for maturity and quality. We look for a solid seal and no damage to the shell before sorting them into the premium bins.
Size and shape are critical. The pearls move from the sorting machine to the grading table, where they are measured with digital calipers. Natural pearls rarely achieve perfect symmetry. It is the unique texture and irregularities, like these ridges, that define their Baroque quality.
Okay, bring it straight back. Confirmed on the manifest.
Got it.
Secure, precise, and always on time. We deliver your legacy to the world.
Look at the luster on this one. It's almost as lovely as you are.
Very thinking.
These pearls are sourced from the pristine waters of Akoya. The luster is simply unmatched.
It's exquisite, darling.
Thank you so much for your purchase today.
Yeah.
Oh, we are absolutely thrilled with it.
We'll cherish it forever. Goodbye now.